these goals and these dreams. I know I can't live without them. That means I gotta go get it. I know a lot of people, they doubt it. Gotta prove them wrong, gotta prove them all wrong. Gotta prove them wrong, gotta prove them all wrong. Gotta prove them wrong, gotta prove them all wrong. Gotta prove them wrong, wrong. Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. You know who it is. It's your girl, the Glam Goddess of DIY, here today to bring you all another inspiring glam DIY idea. I hope you all are doing wonderful today. I am. So we are going to go ahead and get into this video. Okay guys, so we are going to make some beautiful flower vases, and these vases can be used in your home, anywhere, to glam up any space, and also for Valentine's Day. So guys, this will be a beautiful DIY for Valentine's Day. So guys, we are going to use this box. I got these boxes that I'm going to use from Goodwill a long time ago, and they had some embellishments and stuff on them, but I took them off, and I've used these boxes probably about 5 or 6 times. So we are going to reuse these today. And also we're going to use this flower foam. We're going to use these beautiful tiles from Nafuu Glam Decor, and we're going to use these cute little glitter roses that I got from let's see, Amazon. It's been a while. So most of the things that I'm using, y'all, I've reused. These are new, but I've had them for about 2 months. I just never used them. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our tile and we are going to go around the box with them. Guys, this is how it should be looking, and just like that, we have made a box, a flower box, just that simple, y'all. So you can glam up anything, y'all. Okay guys, so let's work on our second vase. We're going to use this box again. We're going to use these mirrored candle holders I got from Dollar Tree. We're going to use our flower foam and our beautiful roses. And guys, we're going to use some of this crystal diamond wrap that I got from Amazon. And all we're going to do is place our mirrors on our box. Okay guys, so this is the end result of the flower vases. Guys, they look so pretty. I am so loving the glitter flowers. They really make these vases look so cute. So guys, I hope you all like what you see. And if you do, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more glam DIYs. Be blessed. I am.